Hi, welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I have a September song for you that is simple, easy, and a little bit of a challenge, and a great way to start singing with your students from the very, very little ones right up to grade 6, first thing when they come into the music room. In September, I like to put music on and they're coming in and they're moving so that from the very minute they set foot in the music room, they've already started their music, so they know we're going to be doing music here. But once they get in and they're settled and seated and all that kind of stuff, you want to have something to do with them that will engage them right away and get them singing. A very simple but very effective song to use is the alphabet. Oh, come on, too easy. We're going to sing it backwards. So if you sing the alphabet backwards, it makes it a challenge. It's familiar enough that the kids are not going to go like, oh my gosh, what is this? But it's enough of a challenge that they will kind of see if they can do that, because they like to see if they can be successful. I have also made up cards that I hold up so that I have them in the groupings. So I have Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Alphabets are hard to say when the letters go this way. It took me about 5 years to learn that. I sing it as a warm-up with my choir as well. So once you've got the cards, I use like just a regular size sheet of paper. I can't talk and write. I'm going to do and write backwards as well. So every child is holding a card, so Z, Y, X, W, V, UTS, and so on. And then you can have somebody that chooses which student puts their card down or away. Eventually, you have the cards turned around or backwards or gone, so that you have to remember the order of the alphabet backwards without the visual cues. So Z, Y, X, W, V, and so on. So it sounds simple on some levels, but it's actually quite complicated and hard on the brain, and they get laughing, and it's a really great musical icebreaker for your very first day back in the music room, and the kids will be singing and engaged right off the bat. Have a great day making music, and make music a great part of your day.